This would be the new grilling attachment that we built at Higley Metals. It fits onto all of our fire pits. This one here being a freestander. And onto any of our fire pits you can add a post and a sleeve, and onto that post and the sleeve you can put on many grilling stations. This one has two grilling trays on it, along with a pot holder. And now we have a rotisserie stand for it. This is a battery operated rotisserie that will run about 13 hours. And you can do two 8-pound birds on this, or 1/16. And also your rib baskets, or roast baskets, or anything. HigleyMetals.com is how to get a hold of us. Everything on here, on this fire pit, is built in Minnesota. There's nothing Chinese.